Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on location-based analytics. Location-based analytics plays a crucial role in business intelligence, and also in business analytics you can integrate geographical data for data analytics purpose, and we can use the spatial data for analyzing trends and patterns present in the data. So the businesses can be improved by formulating a new strategy if they understand the location specific data and the sales data in various locations, as well as at different times how the market changes and customer behavior changes. They can observe location wise and make changes in the business strategy. So this helps a business to understand various business opportunities, and they can reduce the resources, utilize the resources more effectively for effective business. And in market segmentation, the location-based data helps the analyst to analyze location-specific business trends and market changes, and they can also target specific regions where they can improve the sales and where they can get increased profit. They can also provide personalized recommendation to the customers and gain experience on customer satisfaction. And in logistic and supply chain, the data location data, geographical data can be used to analyze and understand the operations and routes for effective navigations, and location where they can have a inventory management, and based on various geography factors, so they can increase the cost savings and improve the business efficiency in supply chain operations, and they can optimize the business solutions and various operations for effective sales management and inventory management. In risk assessment and management, business organizations use location data, and they understand various situations like natural disasters and political influence and other economic changes. Accordingly, they try to reduce the risk by understanding the location specific data. Uh, they analyze and understand where they can increase the uh, productivity and where they can help the peoples at different situations. For example, when there is a natural disaster, the peoples may require some essential goods, and so that the companies can understand and provide uh, provide them necessary basic needs. And also when market economic condition changes, business can reduce the product displacement at some locations, and also they can also understand where people's spend their time and engage them for reducing the risk. And also business people can expand their market, and if there is a need for some locations, and they may give insurance policies at discounted rate, and also some risk mitigation strategy can be implemented to reduce the risk. For understanding competitors and analyzing their market uh, policies and market values, the geographical data helps the organization and gain insights for strategic planning. So this helps an organization to identify underserved areas or suitable areas for marketing and gaining information from the competitors. Then real-time decision making, location-based data used from uh, different sources, and they perform analysis of IoT data and social media data, GPS data for enabling business to make timely decisions. And for example, if you are able to adjust the pricing strategy based on location demand fluctuation, you can handle the risk easily, and you can increase the sales and respond to emergencies in specific locations. And as well, and also in predictive analytics, you can combine historical data and location specific data for creating business model, prediction model. And this can forecast trends and future outcomes more accurately. This kind of predictive analytics can help the organization to allocate the resources more effectively and plan their operations at different locations more efficiently. So that's all in this lecture. In this lecture, we have discussed location-based analytics and where location-based analytics contributes to the business. We have discussed in detail. Thank you all.